Hey guys, it's Lydia, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make two different slimes. Why is my voice like that? But today I'm going to be showing you how to make a jiggly slime and a really stretchy, nice slime. And there's something behind me that I need to grab. So, technical difficulties? Let's get started. So what you're going to need for the jiggly slime, which I am doing first, is water, contact solution, baking soda is what I'm using for my activator, and some glue. If you're using clear glue, this will be just a little bit harder to do. So I have my bowl here, and I have only one bottle of glue, so these are going to be really small amounts of glue. And I'm just going to pour half of this into my bowl. That should be good. Okay. I don't know, I'll just pour a little bit more. That's good. That should be good for just a small batch of jiggly slime. I have two different bowls so I can make two slimes. And now what I'm doing for my jiggly slime is I just need to add some more technical difficulties. I taught you guys. More technical difficulties. No. Like in my last video, more technical difficulties. Oh, you guys are over here. I really should have this better. Just put that back a little bit more. Nope. What is it? Let's just try. Will that work? You guys okay? I'm like, that's good, right? You guys can see this perfectly fine. Now I'm gonna add some lotion just for the extra stretch. Oh, I gotta grab my fork to mix this with. I'm going to be adding a lot of this lotion. So, once again, for the jiggly slime, you're going to need a utensil to mix with, bowl, glue, lotion, contact solution, and baking soda, or any other activator. Then I'm going to mix the lotion in with the glue. And it might seem like it's already getting thicker. Well, it's actually not. It's already getting less thick because of the lotion. So, you never want to add too much lotion in. Or if you've got a lot of lotion in, add it before you activate it. I learned that the hard way. So I put about that much lotion into it to where it's like this thick, to where it's almost like a paint, or like a little bit thicker than that. And then I'm going to be adding some water, and you guys can see the amount of water that I'm adding. I'm not really adding like a certain amount. This depends, now, this part depends on how jiggly you want your slime to be. Like if you want it to still be really stretchy, or like if you want it to be really jiggly and not stretchy at all, like the store-made slime. So you gotta mix the water in, but you really have to mix it in or else this will not activate correctly. And if you do need to, you can add more lotion or glue. In my case, I kind of can't add any more, so I had to do this correctly. First time. So this is that, and then I'm going to add baking soda. Now, this also depends if you like sticky slime or non-sticky slime. I actually like non-sticky slime, so I just added more borax, but if you like sticky slime, then you might want to add in some wax. So yeah, I don't know why, I just like dreamed out for a second, but then I'm gonna add a contact solution slowly until it activates fully, and you will not see the activation first. You might even want to add it while you're stirring, and then it will start to get thicker and thicker. Oh, too thick. Once it's coming off the sides of the bowl, that means that it is forming, and you should probably stop adding while you are mixing and start mixing and adding slowly. Ooh. You see this? That's some good slime. This is just normal stretchy slime. That's what it is right there. That's normal stretchy, but I'm not done yet. And actually, sometimes you might even add way too much of this, and you didn't even add enough baking soda. So, that was kind of a lot. I think I just might have enough to make my second batch. You see that right there? That's all baking soda. Oh yeah, this was the thing. And if you add too much baking soda, which I'm afraid I just did, then it will feel really powdery, but it won't get any powder on your hands unless you also added too much contact solution. Then you will just have an activator on your hands. Yeah, this is working out pretty well. So, just gonna mix this all together. And if you hear any bumping or talking outside, it's rather my brother or my dog stomping outside my door. She kind of loves me, and I will show you her in a later video. It's kind of in my plans. So, and I should be making and posting videos every day, so make sure to subscribe and put the notifications on to make sure. Now, once you feel like you have it pretty well, then you can dump it out. But just in case you feel like oh, this is too sticky still, you might want to add some baking soda down on your table, or you might want to add some contact solution or water down. Pull that out. Now this is just a normal stretchy slime, which I'm going to be showing you again how to make, but in a different way later. So I have my cold stretchy slime that's not really mixed in all the way, so I'm just gonna get that mixed in like this. Waboosh, wabam, wapow. And then for the jiggly part, jiggle, 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 pop, pop, I'm going to slowly add water. If you want your slime to be pretty cold and really jiggly, I would recommend some cold water. But if you want it to be stretchy still and jiggly and not cold, then I would recommend some hot water. But not too hot, because that could also melt your slime. And this might make it a little bit more sticky. That's because jiggly slime may just be sticky all the time. So you might not want to make this on a daily basis. But I'm making a YouTube video.
You need to lay something down on that.
You just interrupted.
Oh, you're making a YouTube video. Oh, me and Rosie interrupted. Rosie, get in the video.
They can't really see her.
Don't lick that, Rosie.
Can you leave now?
Yeah, I was kind of gonna hand some.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I can?
Yes.
Now get out, right?
Yes, now get out.
Hello.
They can't even see your face. It's only a hand view. Rosie, come here.
No, she be part of
She
it.
has my sock.
Come on, Rosie.
She has a sock.
You're gonna stay here?
She has a sock.
Just grab it.
I can't.
Rosie.
I literally have water and contact solution on my hands.
Rosie, come on. Let's go. Give me the sock.
Freezing cold water.
Give me the sock. Give me the sock. Give me the sock. Give me the sock. Give me the sock.
She goes socks
Mom's gonna have to
every
get
day, you guys.
I can't get it.
That was my Aunt Mary and my puppy Rosa that you probably couldn't see at all. My Aunt Mary technically just stuck her head right here. But anyways, I'm just mixing in that water, making it really nice. And I'm going to mix that in. And I may be making some other crafts later with one of my friends. Did you hear that? Wait a second. Let me get on that again. Wait, listen to this. Listen to this. You guys ready? That's that. I know. Ew. Looks like I have a bunch of fingers, but see, it's not that stretchy. Well, it's kind of like a blob, and you could add lots more water. I like it like this, but you could add lots more water to make it more jiggly and kind of cold. I'm just gonna move on because we might not have that much time. But so for this one, I'm just going to add the rest of the glue into this, and I'm just going to make a nice stretchy slime. Oons, 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 oons. Oons, 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 oons. Woo, 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 ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh. Random singing, I do that all the time. So that should be enough for a small batch. And what I'm gonna do for this is add in a lot more lotion. So, oons, oons, oons. Wait, oons, 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 party. Oons, 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 oons. And this is a really easy slime. Adding a lot of lotion. Like a lot of lotion. I can't even. That's amazing. No, I got glue on it. Okay, I'm just gonna lay this right there, and it's not gonna hit anything. I'm just gonna dump some lotion out. Ew. That looks absolutely. I need to add some more. Amazing. And I think I just added a way too much. Way too. That was my mom. She kind of always opens my door and tells me wherever she's going at all times. But anyways, that's all the glue that is actually in the bottle. So I kind of, that's lotion, and that's not even half of it. Oh my god. I bet you there's going to be a bunch of chunks of lotion. So I'm just gonna, actually, this is working really well. I think I might just turn into lotion, but not as thick. Look, it's already mixed. Like, really? Like, what the heck? And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of water. Just a little. That was too much. I wonder if I can add more lotion. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? So, I'm just gonna try to add in some more lotion and see what happens to make this really good. So, next, I'm gonna do the contact solution first, because just to show you that there's no difference in each area. My Aunt Harry's saying bye and Rosie's freaking out. See, activator first. See, it's not even activating, right? So the baking soda is the thing that acts. The baking soda is the thing that activates it. I just got it on my pants. Dang it. But it wasn't that much, Mom. Because she's probably going to watch this at work and be like, oh, she's so cute. What? She got slime on her pants? Where are those stupid pants? Just one after and then get the... But then I just added in some baking soda and I'm just going to mix that in. That's not even how you mix things. Weird. And... Wait a minute. Is it activated? Or did I add way too much lotion in? Yeah, it should activate because... Okay, let me show you 1 second. Yeah, yeah. I know that's not enough activated, but let me see. When you put contact solution or whatever in and it makes like those lines where it hit it, then you know it's activating. That's just how you know. I'm just gonna mix that in really quickly. I don't know if I should go with my hands yet. Oh, this is gonna be great slime. Oh, I should have not have done this, but whatever. Oh, that feels nice. That's such good slime. I mean, it's not even done yet, but really, it's already pretty much done. The main thing that you really need for slime is glue and activator. And then you can add in a bunch of other things. I just broke a big chunk of baking soda. Yeah, there might just, oh, wait, actually. I just go like this, and then like that. And then add in some baking soda. Did you guys just see that happen? Look at my hand and look at the slime. This may just be my first ever DIY fail. This may just be. This may just be. This may just be. Actually, this may not just be my first DIY fail. This may just be my first DIY super success. And that's now a new thing. Of all the DIYs, this was almost a fail and I can still pull it off. Dang. That's cool. So anyways, this is like a powder slime, like I said, what would happen before. And it's like, okay, I just made some putty. I just seriously made some white putty. And that's how you make putty, you guys. Who knew that putty was just overactivated slime? And anyways, that was it for my video, and I really hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to leave a big, fat, freaking like, and if you liked this video and my last, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you are new here, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and I love you all. Bye! Turn on the notifications.